Hey there, it's Nathalie. Welcome to my With All My Art Academy. So simple sewing classes for beginners. I am so glad that you're here. We are going to learn all of the basics. I've got 3 different sewing machines that I want to show you, like with bobbin winding and tensions and presser feet, and just basic stitches. We're going to learn lots of basic stuff, total beginner, real-time, step-by-step, easy projects, learn how to cut patterns, and we're just going to do projects. We're not going to do clothes in this one. So just some little projects, but there's 16 projects, 60 videos, 7 hours of teaching, real time. You can fast forward through, stop, learn at your own pace, go sew, take a break, however you want to do that. But there's lots of videos, very basic things, and some extra things like zippers and cording and piping. So we're going to do a lot of different things to build your skill set and move you from being a very beginner to maybe an advanced beginner. We're not going to do clothes. Did I already say that? No clothes. Just little projects. And these projects would make great Christmas presents. I'm just saying. So welcome to my With All My Art Academy. I'll see you in the classroom.